Good day everyone. This is KLSE Bull Signal. In this video I would like to share information on Malaysia's new IPO listed on March 2020. ACO Group Berhad 0218, ACO Group which to be listed on Bursa Malaysia market on the 18th of March 2020 underwriting agreement by Alliance Investment Bank Berhad. Here are some of the information about this IPO listing. Target listing price at 28 cents with Sharia compliance. ACO IPO open for public application on the 27th of February until the 6th of March. Balloting will be happening on the 11th of March. Finally, on the 17th of March, allotment of IPO shares will be given to successful applicants. The actual listing date tentatively scheduled on the 18th of March. ACO Group established in 1991 has track record of 29 years as a distributor of electrical products and accessories. Under ACO Group, there is a holding company, which underneath it is 5 subsidiaries companies. The company's main business includes distribution of wires, cables, circuit breakers, light bulbs, chandeliers, and air conditioning. Among these products, wires and cables contribute the largest proportion of total revenue, 40%, followed by chandeliers, 26%. The group distributes 88 brands of electrical products and accessories comprising 85 third-party brands and 3 own brands. ACO Group also an authorized distributor for 10 brands of electrical products include Schneider Electric, KDK, Hager, Omron, ABB, Panasonic, Ledvance, MaxGuard, Siemens and Yaskawa. The major revenue is from third-party brands carrying compared to home brand. ACO mainly uses direct distribution channels to sell its products to industrial users. From this chart, we can see that the company revenue, gross profit, and net profit after tax is increasing year by year from 2017 to 2019. Based on fiscal year end of 2019, earning per share is 2.47 cents, PE is about 11.34. 100% of the company's revenue came from the local market for the past 3 years. The business operation covered Johor, Malacca, and around the Klang Valley. Their customer mainly from electrical contractors, manufacturers of electrical goods, factory owners, architects, interior designers, and service providers of repair equipment or machinery. ACO Group's IPO exercise a public issue of 58 million new shares and an offer of 25 million existing shares by private placement to identified investors. Out of the 58 million new issuance which represent 19.3% of the group's issued capital upon listing, 15 million shares will be allocated to the Malaysian public via balloting, with at least 7.5 million shares for Bumiputra investors. 9 million shares will be allocated to eligible directors, employees, and persons who have contributed to the success of the group. 4 million shares to identified investors by way of a private placement. The remaining 30 million shares will be placed to Bumiputra investors who approved by the International Trade and Industry Ministry. ACO Group aims to raise RM16.2 million from its proposed listing on the ACE market. Upon listing on the ACE market, the group will have a market capitalization of 84 million based on the issue price of 28 cents and its total share capital of 300 million shares. ACO intends to setting up 3 additional sales outlets in Johor and 4 other sales outlets in Negeri Sembilan, Kelantan as well as Terengganu, progressively from 2020 up to 2022. Next, ACO plans to set up a new head office with a distribution center in Johor. Purchase 3 additional trucks to expand its in-house logistics facilities. Upgrade IT system including ERP software and online ordering system. Also plan to widening product range to provide customer convenience. From the IPO exercise, 25.9% or 4.2 million will be used to set up 7 new sales outlets and concept stores in Johor, Negeri Sembilan, Kelantan, and Terengganu. 2.5 million for new head office and distribution center in Johor. 2 million to purchase new trucks and upgrade information technology system. 4.2 million for working capital and 3.3 million for estimated listing expenses. The following are my personal views. Firstly, there are only 25 million of existing shares, which equals to 8.33% of the enlarged share capital that will be released in these activities, which shows that the company's shareholders are still holding the major shares and an interest in continue growing the business. Secondly, as ACO is the authorized distributor of 10 brands, they can enjoy incentives and rebate if the performance's target is achieved. However, they may lose authorization for distributing if they are unable to fulfill its agreement of sales target, which impacts its revenue and profits. Finally, from the financial perspective, ACO Group has posted a relatively high gearing ratio of 0.73. Although the gearing ratio is above 0.5, but its crust is not yet critical. No funds are collected for allocation to repay bank loans, but will be used in business development or expansion. Public Investment Bank Research has accorded a fair value of 31 cents for the ACO Group based on the 11-time PE multiple by its financial year 2021. Earning per share of 2.8 cents, which excluded the listing cost. The above sharing is some of my personal views and research of the company. I hope through this video you have better understanding on the ACO Group. I will be producing more videos about new IPO stocks in the coming future. If you found this useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you for watching. Last but not least, please go through the disclaimer notes. Thank you.